Cardio exercises for weight loss. 1. Low-intensity cardio. You don't have to exercise at a high intensity to lose weight if you're a beginner or have physical limitations. Cardio can also help you burn calories and drop pounds. Aim for 60 minutes of low-intensity cardio 5 days a week. 2. Jump rope. Jumping rope not only improves coordination and cognitive function, but the intensity of this workout elevates your heart rate, helping you burn about 1,300 calories per hour. Warm up with 8 to 10 jumps, then jump continuously for 1.5 minutes, rest for 15 to 30 seconds and repeat. Complete 3 sets. 3. Burpees. Burpees combine squats, jumps, and push-ups. It's an effective workout because you're burning fat from your overall body. Do 10 reps in 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat for 5 minutes. 4. High-intensity interval training HIIT. This cardio workout has increased in popularity due to its ability to maximize calorie burn and fat loss. HIIT is great if you don't have a lot of time. Warm up for 5 minutes, then sprint at a high-intensity speed for 1 minute, walk for 30 seconds, and then sprint again at a high-intensity speed for 1 minute. Complete 8 to 10 sets. Thanks for watching.